Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for the comment section. And today we are taking a quick look at Daddy, which is a coin that I think needs no introduction. A coin that's heavily affiliated with Tristan and Andrew Tate. As we can see here, the chart has been absolutely exploding to the upside since its launch, recently having a bit of a very healthy retrace to the downside, and a crypto that everyone has been asking me to cover, so I thought I'd cover it on the channel today and see what we're looking at on the chart. Really, a lot of meme coins at the minute are shaping up just like this, waiting for the market to turn around in general before another explosion to the upside. Obviously, Bitcoin chopping sideways at the minute, bleeding the altcoin market to absolute death. If you look at the top 100 altcoins, you will most likely see pretty much red charts all the way across the board, apart from a very few select few, and obviously smaller Solana meme coins having their, completely decorrelated time of their lives. But as you can see on the charts for Daddy here, we've got a very clear parabolic move to the upside, obviously creating a level of resistance here that we've tested a few times, and now coming down, trying to find a level of support. You can see here, we've come down and found an area where we've bounced a few times here, which previous level of structure. If you take a look at the hourly time frame, you'll see this in a bit more granular detail. This was basically an previous area of resistance being flipped into support here, as you can see on the charts. Obviously that really nice parabolic move as we start to move to the upside. We created a first real level of resistance, apart from maybe down here, as you can see, which is now being retested as support in this area here. Lots of smaller and smaller candles as well, signifying a bit of a decrease in volume as people start to essentially rotate out of this crypto. People that get into the pumps and dumps and then they move on. But as you can see, this is looking like a chart for me personally that is starting to get primed for another big move to the upside. You can see quite clearly here we're forming this very nice level of resistance, and you just know if there's any big catalyst posted by Tristan or Andrew or anyone on Twitter, to be honest, around this crypto, and it does start to move again, there's going to be a huge amount of volume coming back in for another big parabolic move to the upside. You can see here the volume at the peak exceptionally high, huge green and huge red candles, massive move, and now getting a very healthy retrace. Everyone thinking it's over. Obviously we're down around, what we're looking at now, 75%, 66%, probably around 71% down to that current local swing low. As you can see, obviously retrace 70% right now. In my opinion, getting more and more safe to get in for a potential long-term position. What we're looking at, 70-80 million market cap. Could easily be over $1 billion, probably more like 5 or 10 billion in the bull market, in my opinion. This is looking like a chart that's absolutely primed for some upside. You can see here basically just a huge pump, nice big consolidation and retracement, now looking to bottom out. And if we do start breaking this resistance back testing, I don't think it will be long before we're back at all-time highs and probably making another leg up to the upside, doing something like this where we break out back test support, start to make our way up, and then we get another parabolic move up like this. I think we could easily see this starting to get up towards some really crazy numbers as the year continues. Obviously the catalyst coming from the Tate brothers will probably be ridiculous as well. This is a crypto that I think has got a lot of potential going forward, and it's something that I've personally got into. Not financial advice, but I think narratives in crypto are very important, and this has got some of the biggest catalysts around, so let's see what we can do.